Lonely Senior Pilgrim. Have you ever experienced loneliness? Life is a lonely pilgrim's pathway. The pain of loneliness is very sharp for anyone. Also, we are living a lonely pilgrim's life. The damage of loneliness is very serious. Loneliness not only hurts your heart, but also ruins your life. Have you ever experienced loneliness in your society? Have you ever felt that no one was interested in you? Even though you are surrounded by friends, family, or church members, you are always lonely. Dear friend, are you still lonely? What is your life? What is the purpose of your life? Does your life have no meaning or no purpose? Does it seem to be empty? That's because God is not in your life. Maybe it's filled with bubbles of miscellaneous thoughts. However, in your deep mind, you will feel that this is not the whole of your life. Deep down in your heart, there is a quiet little voice. The voice says that there is a God and you ought to know him. Listen to that little voice and then ask for God. We ought to ask for the one true God. Our heart ought to ask for the living God. God sees us, God hears us, and God helps us when we need. When you meet Jesus our Lord, loneliness will disappear. You are no longer alone. Our Lord, Jesus Christ, is always waiting for you.